How to copy the link of a Spotify playlist. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of a Spotify playlist easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now this is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to your library right here and click. Now choose your playlist, click on it like this and keep clicking. Now click on the share option right here, and here you go. Copy the link from here, click on it, and the link of my playlist right here is copied successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.